Hey, what's up everybody? It's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. And this vehicle comes in a silver exterior. We have a tan interior. Sunroof. Memory seats here on the driver's side, and heated seats for both driver and passenger. Nice wood grain accent trim there throughout the vehicle as well. Rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk, lots of storage space, and of course you can always fold down those rear seats if you need a little extra storage, and push button to close the trunk. Hopping inside the vehicle, mileage currently at 10,490. Do have a push button ignition. And here's our touchscreen display currently showing radio and backup camera. Of course, you can control that using the touchscreen here. You also have a command module right down here that you can make adjustments as well. Below the display is our climate controls and our shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.